I'm JW Bond from Attorneys of Idaho. One of the most common questions that I receive is, well, how much is my injury case worth? Now the answer, like anything, is complicated. But there are certain factors that we always look at to determine how much your case may be worth. One, how serious are your injuries? If you have a broken bone, torn ligaments, or worse, obviously your case is going to be worth more. But then again, how much money is on the other side? How big is the insurance policy of the person who caused your injuries? Or even if there isn't an insurance policy on the other side, does the party who caused your injuries have significant assets? They have a house, assets that we can actually go after. That all factors into how much money your case is worth. Further, if you think about this, well, how much impact is this going to have on your life long term? Not only do we look at how extensive your injuries are, we also look at what are your medical costs? How much money did it cost for you to get the necessary treatment to become healthy? And while seeking that treatment, did you lose wages? Did you miss work because of your accident, because of those injuries? These are all things we look at, all factors we consider when deciding how much we think your case is worth. We also would look at the extent of property damage. Is this a simple fender bender where you can get fixed at a body shop for $1,000? Or is your car totaled? Also, we'll look at how easy would it be for us to prove your case? How clearly is the other person at fault? Is it questionable whether you or the other person caused the accident? Or is it completely obvious that they were the cause of the accident and no juror would ever believe that you were the cause of the accident that caused the injury? In deciding how much your case is worth, really what you think about is, if this case were to go all the way, meaning we file a lawsuit on your behalf, and we take the case to trial, and we explain to the jury how you were injured, why you were injured, and the extent of your injuries, what would the jury come up with as a final number to compensate you for your accident? Well, that is what your case is worth. What a jury would ultimately find that you are deserving of. Now, that can be very random, right? One person in our community might think that your injuries are worth less than another person, depending on their background, depending on their certain beliefs. But really, in our system, the power is in the jury and what we can convince a jury your case is worth. Now, some attorneys are better at convincing jurors that your case is worth more than another attorney might be able to convince them of. And so at Attorneys of Idaho, we feel that we can get you maximum compensation by convincing juries that your case is worth more. So how much is your case really worth? It's as much as a jury would be willing to award you for your injuries. Now, not every case goes to trial. In fact, most cases don't go to trial. Most injured clients don't want to wait the length of time it takes to take their case all the way to trial. With our experience representing many injured clients at trial and explaining cases to jurors, we know basically, given the situation, what a jury might award. And based on that, we can advise you what your case is actually worth. Now, if an adjuster comes with a settlement proposal that is far lower than your case is worth, we will do everything we can to make sure that number comes up and we get you maximum compensation for your injury. If you have any questions about what your case might be worth, well, then give us a call. We'd love to help you out. 208-314-8888 or find us online at attorneysofidaho.com. Thank you for listening.